Hello guys, how are you? So, I'm driving from San Diego to LA. Today I'm going to cross LA, and behind me, what we have behind me, let's see. The Pacific Ocean. That's the Pacific Ocean. I'm close to Oceanside. And please admire the Pacific Ocean. So that's why I'm telling you all the time today again. Stay tuned, like, subscribe, share. Today I'm going to cross Los Angeles from straight to the center of the town on I-5 going north. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, and admire Pacific Ocean, baby. Today is a cloudy day, unfortunately. It's not that the sky is not that clear, and the I-5, as you know it and see it, it's full, yeah, packed. I just crossed beside a Navy base. And again, the Pacific Ocean. The image is not because the sun is not up and we don't have a clear day. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.